Tired of clicking through Namecheap's menus and never finding the WordPress hosting page? In 4 minutes, I'll show you exactly where to click to start your free trial. We'll go straight to the WordPress hosting page, select Managed Hosting, and start your free trial. No fluff, just the clicks you need. So let's start with the first link. You want to head over to Namecheap's WordPress hosting page. I've tested this exact route a bunch of times, and this is the quickest way I've found. Just open up your browser and go to namecheap.com/WordPress. That's the direct line. No need to dig around their main navigation. Now, once you're on that page, you'll see a lot of information about their hosting plans. But the thing you want to look for right now is the main menu that says WordPress. Go ahead and click on that. It's right at the top of the page, usually part of their main navigation bar. This is where they keep all their WordPress-specific offers in one place. Once you click on WordPress, the page will change and you'll see a few different options. Here's where it gets really specific. You need to look for the option that says Managed Hosting for WordPress, not just regular hosting or shared hosting. Managed hosting means Namecheap handles all the technical backend stuff, updates, security, backups, so you can just focus on building your site. Click on Managed Hosting for WordPress. All right, now that you've selected Managed Hosting, you'll be looking at their different plan tiers. But here's the part I really like. They offer a free trial. Find the button that says Try for Free and click it. This lets you test everything out before you commit any money, which is perfect if you're just getting started or if you want to see if their setup works for you. After you click that first Try for Free button, the page will refresh, and you might see a little loading spinner for a moment. That's totally normal. Once it's done, you'll see another screen that also has a Try for Free button. Yes, 2 of them. It can feel a little repetitive, but this is just how their sign-up flow works. Click that second Try for Free button to move forward in the process. Now you should be on a page that shows your plan summary and some details. This is the checkout area. Go ahead and click the Checkout button. Don't worry, since you're on the free trial, it won't charge you anything right now. You'll just need to set up a Namecheap account if you don't already have one, or log in if you do. They'll ask for some basic info, but no payment is required to start. And that's it. From being confused about where to find WordPress hosting on Namecheap, you now know exactly how to navigate to the Managed Hosting plan and kick off your free trial. Take a few minutes to poke around your new dashboard once you're in there. Get comfortable with the interface because you'll be spending a lot of time there. Thanks for sticking with me, and happy building.